Hello everyone, apologies for the slow activity on the videos. I am currently busy job hunting and going to interviews. Once that's done, I'll be back to my regular planting and vlogging. So that's pretty much the reason why I'm not getting back to your questions and comments right now. On that note, just to kickstart things again, I am going to start a little contest. You see, Mars Hydro is offering me a second unit of their TS1000 grow lights, and they would like for me to give it away to my Australian audience. That's right, a TS1000 kit, and unfortunately only in Australia. So I apologize in advance for those outside of Australia. I'll be thinking of something for you in a future giveaway. Anyway, if you wanted to join, just leave me a question down in the comments, something that you would like me to answer, and make sure to include the state that you're in. So for example, if I were to join this contest, I would write, "Hey Chuck, how are your seedlings now? Victoria, Australia." I will be collecting comments until the end of the week. That's Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So basically before midnight on Monday, Melbourne time. In my next few videos, I'll be answering a bunch of these questions that I think are worth answering, or at least the ones that I know about or are interesting enough. And as for the winner, I'll be using a random name picker online. So I'll be adding all of your names in the list and let the program choose a name. If there's a lot of Australian entries, I might even consider adding more to the prize. Say, maybe pick several names and I'll be sending some of my propagations to you. How does that sound? So, what are you waiting for? See you in the comments. Bye.